Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen on your Messenger. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you go to next window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps and you go to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app here. In this window you click here on Messenger and it's going to take you to next window here, then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK and you go down, then you click here on storage and you go to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. You just follow this way and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.